So you know that commercial that says mayhem is coming? Well, mayhem is coming, this time to the insurance industry itself. The Domino Approach has new videos every week. Please click that subscribe button to not miss a thing. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how climate change in the insurance industry could actually cause the next financial crisis. Now, you may think that doesn't make sense. Insurance is literally insuring against bad things happening. Here's my argument. Insurance companies are in the business of risk management, but they've improperly assessed a risk, and that is the frequencies of natural disasters destroying homes as a result of climate change. Now, there was this one guy that predicted something like this would happen. I don't know that the insurance industry really listened to him. Particularly, we're talking about mortgage insurance, homeowners insurance, catastrophic insurance. As climate change continues to become more and more of a reality, there's going to be more frequent natural disasters, especially in the areas that are fire prone or flood prone, where a lot of people do in fact live. Insurance companies are going to respond largely by attempting, like they always do, to deny claims at first, but ultimately covering a lot of it. That's why you have insurance in the first place. Now, the business model is actually kind of resilient. They don't just rely solely on premiums and hope nothing bad happens. They actually take those premiums and invest in other ventures, a lot of times short-term loans. And this is good for everybody because what they do is increase the overall money supply into the economy. And they're also sort of buffering against a wave of claims, because one year there's going to be a lot more than there will be, say, in another year. This will work fine until a recession happens, a big one. And a recession is coming to an economy near you. Now, every time there's a recession, home prices tend to go down. And that's because a lot more people are looking to sell and there's a lot less buyers available. Well, there'll be even more this time because a lot of insurance companies won't want to insure homes in fire-prone or flood-prone areas. There's a lot of them out there, and that's going to overall decrease the value of homes. Plus, homeowners insurance is going to go up because the insurance companies will need to make up the losses. A lot of people will also have to sue the insurance companies to get the benefits of what they paid for. Overall, this is going to be way less money available to the insurance companies to loan back out. And this is going to further exacerbate an already significant economic recession. As home prices continue to go down, there's going to be a lot of homes where the loans exceed what the home will sell for, and this is going to lead to foreclosures. This is somewhat similar to what happened in 2008 in the last financial crisis. Now there, if you'll remember, collateralized debt obligations were a big part of the problem. They pooled together lots of toxic assets and sold them off. This was essentially a fancy way, a complicated way of cooking the books legally. And a lot of the investors didn't realize the banks were holding lots and lots of toxic assets, homes that had a higher mortgage than they could sell for. And essentially that depressed the value of houses and almost took down the whole banking industry and overall money supply. This will happen again this time, but it won't actually be the big bank's fault, believe it or not. But they'll still want a bailout because they'll still need one in order to, not have an overall worsening crisis. This will be way less politically popular than even the last was, and it will lead to a backlash. Now, you may say, this isn't likely to happen anytime soon. This is far-fetched. Well, no, it's not. Like the commercial says, oh, it's happening, sweetheart. It is happening right now. It happened in 2018. We saw the start of it. And this is in the context of the automation apocalypse where job decimation, creative destruction failed the system. And geopolitics are making the world seem a whole lot scarier. This is further going to exacerbate backlash to traditional politicians. And we're going to see some really crazy things happen, 4 to 8 years down the line as a result of all this happening. Like, how did you not see this coming? So where do I think that leads us going forward? Well, what's the craziest thing I can think of that might happen? Like the Nationwide commercial says, life comes at you fast. In 2028, we may in fact have President Kevin Federline. Just kidding. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe below so you don't miss a thing.